Port grill, the Chevrolet bow tie, LED lights. You can also get the high-intensity fog lamps. Does anybody know how big those wheels are? Well, yeah, you would be happy with 19, but we're going to give you either 18 standards or you can supersize it like we did to 20-inch wheels. Now, another gentleman I was talking to really loved all those chrome accents that you'll see on the sides of our LTZ models, even on the side view mirror. This gentleman is taking a photo of the interior that we call Mojave, like the desert, because it's nice and warm type of caramel color on the interior. You can also get a darker brown, almost a chocolate color that we call brownstone with suede and leather combo. Now, the seats are heated and cooled, so no matter what the temperature, we've got you covered. We also have dual climate control, so this young lady's hot, but this gentleman's cold. We don't want you to fight, we want nothing but love from Chevy. So you can each control your own temperature. Same thing with your radio, you know, if she wants to listen, she has Beaver fever, it's okay, we don't judge, well maybe a little. If he wants to listen to Jay-Z, you both can do that. Sync up your phones, call your favorite friends, all with the MyLink infotainment, and that MyLink is actually in all our vehicles. But on this new Impala, you get an 8-inch touchscreen. A lot of our vehicles are 6.5. And the reason we have it beveled up, there's a space, it's an extra console. So if you want to throw in your sunglasses or your highway pass, you can go ahead and use that extra area for storage inside your brand new 2014 Impala. Now, how many airbags, young lady, do you think this Impala would carry? Oh yeah, I put you on the spot. He would be happy with 8. Guess what, sir? We're going to give you 10. Pound it out. Boom. There you go. We want to keep your young lady safe and sound. So you're going to get 10 airbags, absolutely standard on this brand new Impala, plus sensors all across the vehicle. So it'll detect things like lane departure warning if you happen to be reaching over to play with that radio or getting a tasty beverage. It also has forward collision alert and also mitigated cruise control. So if the people in front of you don't know what they're doing and are slowing down all of a sudden, your car will slow down as well. So it has all the safety you want, plus a backup camera. So not only are you looking forward, but it's also looking in reverse for you as well. 18.6 cubic feet of storage in the trunk, so you can load up at the grocery store, wherever life may take you. And plus, it's the largest sedan in the market, so plenty of legroom. Now, what about power? I can tell this gentleman's a speed demon, so we are going to give you a 305 horsepower with a 3.6 V6. Now, if somebody else wants to save some money on fuel economy, like this young guy, he's got his Bose headset, he wants his first mansion, he wants to save some money, so you can get a 2.4 or 2.5 four-cylinder and get 35 miles per gallon. So you get performance, fuel economy, safety, comfort, convenience, all in the Impala that'll make you holla in 2014. We also have our brand new redesigned 2014 Silverado. Only other place you can see it is in Detroit. So guys, check it out. It's all redesigned for you to look at. We also got our ZL1 with magnetic ride suspension, 580 horsepower. You can hop into a $60,000 Camaro today and see how it feels. Who knows, maybe you'll decide to save up and get one. If y'all have any questions, if you want a catalog, a brochure,